Okay, here we are. What is this? Connector. Lakeside Connector is the trail name. Hey Nora! Take a left if you see a left. We could go either way. Maybe we'll see what it's like on the way back. Blue is to the left. Oh, is this kind of muddy here?
Right here?
This looks fine. It's fine. But on the way back, we can come back on that trail. They're sore, they're tired. Oh, this is a tricky spot. Sorry.
That's okay.
I never checked your tires.
Oh.
How do they feel with a pinch test?
Fine. Oh.
Yep. Oh. That's why you see horse tracks on the trail. Yeah, this is a multi-use trail, which is another reason why it's not fun coming in the summer. Is some of the trails, well, last summer or late spring when we came wasn't too bad, but that one trail to the east of the island that I mentioned, yeah. I did that thing 15 years ago. It was terrible because the whole trail was just bump, 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 bump from all the horse hooves.
Yeah.
I guess, Nora, let me know if I'm going too fast or slow.
I think for now you're good, but I won't be able to go this speed tonight.
Okay. All right, I'll just tone it down a little bit. Because, yeah, I understand you're a little sore from last night.
Yeah.
Ski-mo race. This is one reason why I like coming here. Just a whole different set of scenery compared to all our summer riding that are in forests. But here, it's a big open grassland with buffalo every now and then. Watch out for the buffalo thing. It's not a chip, it's too wet. Trail. A little slower? Okay. How are you guys on temperature? How about you, Helena? How are you doing on temperature? Good. Let me know if you guys want any of those little warmer things. I think once we get warmed up, we'll be fine.
Yeah.
Am I making a depression in the dirt at all?
No.
No. It feels soft.
Yeah, it does.
So I guess it's springing back as I go by.